I'm sorry that I'm not at the school today, and I'm going to teach you how to use dfield8 on MATLAB through this kind of a media way. Okay, so after you launch MATLAB on your computer, you can type in dfield8 in the command window and press enter, and you will see a small window popped up, and this window is the main window for dfield8. Here is the differential equation you are looking at. So here we have x derivative equal to x squared minus t, and the independent variable is set to be t. Now we just change nothing and click proceed directly. You will see another window. This window shows us the direction field of this differential equation. You can click on any point in this window, then the solution curve crossing that point shows up. So this is solution crossing that a specific initial condition. You can click on some other point, you see another solution. Okay, so our question is whether we can choose one specific value as our initial condition. We can do that by using keyboard input. Say we have this differential equation, we want to choose the initial condition to be x at 0 equal to 0. So x t equal to 0 equal to 0. Then click compute. Then this solution cross the point 0, 0 exactly. Alright. Now if I ask you the question, what's the estimation for this solution curve crossing 0, 0 at a point t equal to 2. So we want to know the x value for this point when t equal to 2. We can only do an estimation over this graph. So to do a better approximation, you can choose zoom in. Choose a smaller window around this point. Okay, you see this is 2. This is value of x, which is in between negative 1.1 and negative 1.2. If we want to know a better approximation, you can choose a smaller window. Now this is 2, this is negative 1.19 and negative 1.2. You can do an even better approximation by zooming in one more time. So this is how you can get a good approximation. You can zoom back to the original window. Alright, now if you already have drawn a lot of curves over this direction field figure, you can erase them all. Erase all solutions. Okay, so then you can start over again. So I think this is basically what you can do by using dfield8. Okay, there are some more things I need to emphasize here. For MATLAB, if you want to type t times x, you cannot just put tx there. You need to put an asteroid there in between them to mean you're multiplying these two variables together. And if the problem we are looking at has some other variables, say dependent variable is p, and here we have p times 50 minus p. Okay, this is a new differential equation, and we still set the independent variable to be t, which is time. We can choose the minimum value of t to be 0, maximum value of t to be maybe a larger number, 50, and minimum value of p to be 0. If we assume p is a population of something, then it's very reasonable to set a minimum value of p to be 0, right? And we set a maximum value of p to be 80. You can change this. Always you can change this. Okay, we have a graph, but I'm not sure whether it makes sense or not. Let's try. It may not be a good graph. Let's stop this. Stop and quit. Let's do it over. P equal to 0.0001 times p times 50 minus p, independent variable t, and then set this to be 0, set this to be 50, this 0, this 80. Proceed. What happened? Oh, you see, I forget this multiplication sign in between p and 50 minus p. Okay, so let's proceed. This is still not good. Let me change this value a little bit. This may be better. Let's change this value again. Okay, this is optimized. Alright, you see solution curves. I believe on the class, your instructor today actually have given you a problem involving deer population. So you can use this dfield8, this command, to help you to solve that problem. Alright? So that's all I want to mention today. You can give it a try. And if you have any question, welcome to ask me. Okay, bye.